Welcome back to FarmSmart Insight. Across the wide agricultural landscapes of the United States, endless apple orchards stretch from horizon to horizon. In regions where fertile soil meets advanced farming knowledge, apple trees grow in carefully managed rows, producing millions of tons of fruit each year. Behind every crisp apple lies a long and complex journey, one shaped by years of cultivation, precision, farming, modern technology, and the dedication of farmers who work in all seasons. From quiet orchards to large processing facilities, apples move through a system built on efficiency, quality, and scale. Today we follow the journey of apples in the United States from the first stage of planting and care through harvest and industrial processing to finished products that reach consumers around the world. Apple production begins with land preparation. Before any trees are planted, soil is carefully tested and adjusted to ensure the right balance of nutrients and acidity. Young apple trees are planted in early spring when temperatures begin to stabilize. Each tree is positioned with precision, allowing enough space for sunlight, airflow, and future growth. Support stakes are installed to protect young trees from wind and help them grow straight during their early years. Apple trees require long-term commitment. It can take several years before they produce fruit, and even longer before they reach full productivity. During this time, farmers focus on pruning shaping branches to direct our energy toward fruit-bearing zones and maintain consistent yields. Water management is a key part of orchard care. Drip irrigation systems deliver water directly to the root zone, reducing waste and ensuring steady moisture levels. Nutrients are supplied carefully throughout the growing season, supporting leaf growth, flowering, and fruit development. In spring, apple trees bloom with white and pale pink flowers. Pollination follows and small apples begin to form. Through summer, farmers monitor size, color, and health, protecting trees from pests and disease, while ensuring uniform growth across the orchard. Apple harvest season in the United States typically occurs from late summer through fall, depending on region and variety. Timing is critical. Apples must be picked when sugar levels, firmness, and color reach their ideal balance. Modern orchards rely on a combination of machinery and human labor. Mechanical harvesting systems and orchard platforms increase efficiency, allowing workers to access higher branches safely and quickly. In some operations, advanced harvesting machines and automated systems assist with collection. These technologies reduce labor strain while maintaining fruit quality. However, skilled workers remain essential. Experienced pickers select apples carefully, ensuring only fruit that meets quality standards is harvested. Each apple is handled gently to avoid bruising. From the orchard, apples are placed into bins and transported quickly to processing facilities where temperature control becomes essential. After harvest, apples enter a highly organized supply chain. Trucks deliver fruit to large processing and packing facilities, often within hours of picking. At the factory, apples are washed thoroughly and placed on conveyor systems. Advanced scanning technology inspects each apple for size, color, shape, and internal defects. Thousands of apples can be analyzed per hour, ensuring consistent quality. Based on inspection results, apples are sorted. Premium fruit is prepared for fresh markets, while others are directed toward processing lines. Cold storage plays a major role. Apples are stored at carefully controlled temperatures to slow respiration and preserve freshness for months. This storage capability allows apples grown in the United States to be available year-round, both domestically and internationally. While fresh apples remain the primary product, processing adds significant value. Apples are pressed into juice using modern extraction systems that preserve natural flavor and nutrients. Apple juice is filtered, pasteurized, and packaged under strict quality standards. Some apples are further processed into apple cider vinegar and fermented beverages, each requiring precise control of sugar content and fermentation time. Slices, purees, and dried apple products are also produced for snacks and food manufacturing. Even byproducts such as apple pulp are reused, often for animal feed or additional processing, minimizing waste. Apple production supports a vast network of people. Farmers manage orchards year-round. Orchard workers prune, thin, and harvest fruit, and factory employees operate processing lines and quality control systems. Technology enhances efficiency, but human expertise remains essential. Farmers rely on experience to make decisions about pruning, irrigation, harvest timing, and quality selection. From an agricultural perspective, apple farming increasingly focuses on sustainability. Efficient irrigation, reduced chemical use, and careful soil management help protect land while maintaining high yields. Rural communities depend on apple production for employment and economic stability. Orchards and processing plants form the backbone of many agricultural regions. The journey of apples in the United States is a story of scale, precision, and dedication. From carefully prepared orchards to advanced processing facilities, every stage reflects a balance between nature and technology. Each apple that reaches consumers carries this story of farmers who wait years for trees to mature, workers who harvest with care, and systems designed to deliver quality across vast distances. In every bite, there is more than sweetness and crunch. There is the story of modern agriculture at work.